Tara, pasukin po natin at alamin Nulin Harbor. Ang ganda po at napakatahimik, peaceful, relaxing. May history po to na industrial port by 1435 and primarily for its pilchard fishing industry. So ayan po, and it was allowed for the export of other commodities like coal. At noong 1880s, it was later a focal point for the famous. So maganda po talaga at napaka parang ancient ang datingan po natin, datingan ng harbor, kasi makikita mo naman na lumang-luma. 1880s, ilang centuries po yun. And hanggang ngayon okay pa naman. May nilagay sila dito na wholesale para po sa mga fish market nila. And actually, gusto ko pong pumasok sa loob nito and na market. Pero it's Sunday today, kaya it's closed. So, but it's a nice view and relaxing to see. And it was nice. It's a good Sunday today. And tara, lakad-lakad po ulit tayo. And to see more beauties na isi-share ko po sa inyo in the near future. So, ayan po. Have a nice day to everyone. God bless.